Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Robin. Today I'm actually want to create how to use the orange lipstick in a more chic way. And I noticed many people don't like orange lipstick while they like those peachy or pinky mauve kind of nude lipstick. However, orange color can be look good on anybody else. If you're cool tone or warm tone, it doesn't really matter. You can still use an orange color lipstick and you can still look awesome. And I'm gonna show you step by step. Before I start, I really appreciate if you hit your subscribe buttons and hit likes as well. It helps me a lot. However, I cannot force you, isn't it? So I won't force you, but if you do so, I'll be very appreciated. So let's start. The first product I'm going to use is a lipstick, and this is a lipstick from Etude House, which is very affordable, and the shade is OR205. It really has the beautiful orangey shade, which is very vibrant and happy, vivacity there. So I'm gonna use the lipstick first before I begin any makeup product. I'm going to start lipstick first before I begin any makeup. You may be curious why you need to use a lip brush. It has two different reasons. First reason is for hygiene, and the second reason is for precision. Ooh, that's really nice orange color. Okay, so when you do the lipstick, I like to start from the lower lips, the center of my lower lips, fill in nicely, and then move on to upper lips and really, kind of twist your body and define your lip line. If you use a lip brush, you can really get that crisp line which just a lipstick bullet can't achieve. And as you can see, this side is more fuller and this side is more down, a little more skinnier. So you need to see whether it's balancing or not, and I personally like this side better. So I'm gonna build a little bit more on the other side here. So when you define something on your face, try not to stretch your face. If you move or stretch your face, your canvas is no longer even canvas, it's a stretched canvas. So if you apply and let your skin go, it appears to be more wiggly or not so beautiful. So try not to stretch your skin, but just be still and apply. You can actually do a little bit of smudge or create a tinted effect by applying less product and rub your lips together. And I really like this color because it looks really vibrant and looks happy. It adds those happiness to the world vibe, and this kind of color I really appreciate the most. And right now the lip is a little bit strong, so I'm gonna go with a blush and then eyes. So the eyes will be the most minimal makeup product there, and I'm gonna start from the cheek as I start from the lips, and next is cheek. I also have purchased this new orangey color blush here. It looks more like a salmon here today. So I'm gonna use this color and apply on my cheek. Let's see how it looks like. So I'm gonna really find the cheekbone. This is my cheekbone, and this is my upper high point of the cheekbone, where it should be a highlighted area. As you can see, the lighting is hit exactly this area. So I'm gonna apply a little bit lower than the highlighting zone. And I can really bring it a little bit inside. I actually kind of like this look. I think this look is already enough, but I'm gonna go a little bit further. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. For my eyes, there's a really bare and minimal makeup will be happening today, as the color is already pretty rich and vivid and vibrant. So right now I am going to start with NARS Extreme Effect eyeshadow palette. It's a little bit shimmering, as you can see. It's a little bit shimmering, and I'm going to use this pinpoint brush. This is known to be an eyeliner brush. So I'll pick up some eyeshadow here already, and then I'm gonna moisten it. So the brush is wet now. I'm gonna look straight, and let me see where I should start and begin. I'm thinking to create more of a cat eye. Should I go with a cat eye? or just a straight eye? I feel like I'm going just a straight eye so I can create more, you know, this is more stronger here and stronger on the cheek, so you can go a little bit more natural on the eye. And I'm really going to just elongate the shape of my eye. I already mapped out here, and I'm kinda dragging it all the way to the center of my eye. And the inner corner of the eye. Color here, it actually elongates my eye. So I just followed my natural eye shape. Not to worry, I'm gonna soften this line and do a double lining. I think I should go with a double lining today because this is something that I have not shown previously on my channel. So I got the liner ready and I'm gonna use a blending brush to soften out those edges. So it's really kind of adding some dimensions and shadow there, but it's not so overwhelming. And the focus is still on the lips. And if you notice that I actually didn't put much color on the center of my eye, is because anyway while you're blending, the color will, you know, deliver to the middle of the eye. It's just, you know, shape my eyes without creating too harsh lines there. And if you own this kind of pencil brush, I recommend you to really rub it into your skin gently. Not so harsh, but gently. Instead of, you know, just buffing it in a circular motion. Because this way is just diffusing the color, adding dimension. It's not for blending. So to diffuse the color, it's more appropriate if you go with a, you know, rubbing motion and gestures. So you can really diffuse the color. So I can really see the color is barely there color. It looks very soft and subtle. I love this look. And next I'm gonna go with an eyeliner. You can use a waterproof pencil if you have a very smudgy eye. But today I'm gonna use a kohl pencil from Dior. And I'm just gonna start from really the lowest part of my upper eye line there, where we started, and creating sort of, you know, triangle here. And what I really appreciate about this pencil is it has a, you know, smudging tool behind. You can use this smudging tool to smudge your eyeline. But since I have so many brushes, I'm just gonna use the brushes today. Just gonna use the same brush, diffuse that eyeliner. So there is no harsh line, no definition, nothing is crisp but my lips. Everything's soft and subtle, especially on the eye. The focus is still on the lips. Just I'm trying to elongate my eyes, look more, you know, wider. And also I think this is more suitable as a raw beauty. The raw beauty means it doesn't really change your own self beauty. But I'm just trying to enhance my own beauty. And I'm really trying to, you know, reach to the inner corner of my eye a little bit, just in the inner corner of the eye. You can see it's really little bit there. And also soften it. And just in case if you apply too much eyeliner, don't worry about it. You can always go back to your eyeshadow and apply it over the eyeliner, so you can really soften it and diffuse it again and again and again while not losing intensity. I look very chic today. I like this look. It looks very, you know, it makes my eyes look very chic without changing much, you know, feature of mine. Okay, so this is the final look. I have very short coat of mascara and, you know, as usual, my natural eyebrow here. This is the final look. It's orange lipstick and I didn't put contour but just blush and a little bit of powder on my face and just a sheer wash of eye makeup. I'm gonna zoom in. This look is just perfect for everyday wear. So I really hope you enjoyed this look and the video, and I'll see you soon with a new tutorial. Bye!